Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So let's start the part 5th of chapter 5, presentation software special effect. Let's start the sixth topic, that is changing slide layout. This topic consists 5 subtopics, that is adding clip art image, adding picture or image, adding smart art in slide, adding a table in presentation, and adding a chart in slide. So let's start with first topic, that is adding clip art image. So slide layout determines the placement of all the items such as the title, graphics or text boxes that make up our slide. The content placeholder. This is a content placeholder. Like this is a new slide. So these are the content placeholder where we write down the content. Okay. So the content placeholder may be to the right or left of the text, above the text or below the text. So we can use content placeholder to build our presentation effectively and efficiently. So need to make a few adjustments to the text position and size to fit the new layout. So for to changing the slide layout, the steps are, so first step is display the slide that you want to change. So this is my slide that I want to change. I already opened slide number 2. This is a slide 1. This is a slide 2 already open here. Then click on home tab. Click. Then click on layout button. This is the layout button. Click on it. These all are the layout. Then click on any desired layout. So I want to select this one. It's a highlighted. I want to select this one. Already applied this one. Now I want to select this one. So it already highlighted. Then click on it. Now the layout change. So these are the steps. According to your requirement, you can apply the any slide layout that you want. Like this one mostly used for the difference. Like difference between this and that. So you can select the any slide layout according to your requirement from here. So the steps are, firstly, we have to select and open the slide. After that, click on home tab, then click on layout button. Then we can select the any desired slide layout and click on it. It's selected. Then you can change your slide. And the text in the slide will automatically adjust itself the new layout. Now under changing the slide layout, the first topic is adding clip art image. So steps are generally what is the clip art image? Clip art is the built-in image in PowerPoint gallery. It can be added to a slide to make your presentation more interesting, entertaining and attractive. So the steps are, first of all, display the slide in which you want to add a clip art image. So this is my slide. Then change the layout of the slide to the one that include a placeholder for a clip art image. So this is my placeholder option, placeholder. So there are 6 options are available here. Number 1, table. Second, chart. Third, smart art. Next, picture. Next, clip art, and the next, media clip. So here I want to select clip art. So this is the clip art option. Click on it. So now these options are available here for the clip art. See this one. This is the first method to open clip art. Now the second method is, if these 6 options are not available on your slide, so method is go to insert button. This is the ribbon. These are the ribbon tabs. So click on insert tab. In insert tab, there are so many options are here. So here the clip art option, click on it. Now again, this clip art option available here. So this is your searching area. So let us suppose I want to search for any image, like suppose I want to select a computer. So right here computer and click on go button. So these all are pictures of computers like this one. So click on it. Now it's appear here. So you can select, you can adjust your picture according to your requirement, increase, decrease, this one. Okay, so there are two methods to add a clip art image. So first method is you can select from the content placeholder, and the second method, go to the insert tab and click on clip art. After clip art, open here, and you will write down your search option keywords here like a computer and click on go button. If you want to select any other image, then click on it. It's a selected. You can drag it and adjust the positions of an image. Now the next topic is adding picture or image. So the next, this one, that is a insert picture from file. Click on it. You can select the any picture, like I want this one, and click on insert. Now picture added. Now the second method is, again click on insert option, insert tab, then click on pictures. You can select the any picture from here. Let us suppose I want again this one, then click on insert. Now it's applied. So there are two methods. So first method, from the content placeholder, there are 6 options you can select from here, like for the shortcut. And the second method, by using tabs like insert tab, then click on picture. So the rest of the part I will explain in my next video. Thank you.